and I wrote a fictional story about an alien that's planet got destroyed by his enemies. He fights the other planet and tries to beat them with Earth people that have special powers too. They finally win, but the guy never gets his planet back. He lives on Earth and he is a normal human now. He's a normal human and has his own home in Earth. He had lots of difficulties with his enemies when he was fighting them. Thank you.
Was it easy or difficult to write this piece, why or why not?
It was easy for me because I could put I had a bunch of ideas and I could never stop thinking of them.
Why did you choose to write about this particular topic?
Because I chose to write it because it was the first thing that came in my head.
If there's one thing you can improve on, what would it be?
If I can improve on something, it would be to write a little bit more and write it more easier to understand.